Hi, today we're covering SEO, SEM, and organic growth strategies and how to use them to boost visibility and drive traffic. Let's get into it. SEO, or search engine optimization, involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages organically. This means you're not paying for these positions. Effective SEO strategies can significantly boost your visibility and attract more qualified traffic. Begin with keyword research. Identify the terms and phrases your target audience uses when searching for products or services like yours. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush can help with this. For example, a local bakery might find keywords like best cupcakes near me or custom birthday cakes. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual pages. This includes incorporating your target keywords into your titles, meta descriptions, headings, and content naturally. Make sure your content is high quality, informative, and engaging. A travel blog might optimize a post about Paris with keywords like top attractions in Paris and best restaurants in Paris. Technical SEO involves optimizing the back end of your site to improve its performance. This includes ensuring fast page load times, mobile friendliness, secure connections, and clean URL structures. For instance, an e-commerce site needs to ensure its product pages load quickly and are easy to navigate on mobile devices. Off-page SEO primarily involves building backlinks from reputable sites to boost your site's authority. Guest blogging, influencer collaborations, and creating shareable content can help generate these links. For example, a tech company might write guest posts for industry blogs to gain backlinks and increase their authority. SEM, or search engine marketing, includes paid strategies like pay-per-click advertising. Unlike SEO, SEM provides immediate visibility on search engines through ads. Google Ads is a popular platform for SEM. You can bid on keywords, and your ads appear when users search for those terms. Creating effective SEM campaigns involves choosing the right keywords, crafting compelling ad copy, and setting a budget. Monitor and adjust your campaigns regularly based on performance data. For instance, an online clothing store might run Google Ads for keywords like summer dresses and men's suits. Organic growth strategy focuses on gaining traffic naturally over time without paid advertising. In addition to SEO, this includes content marketing, social media engagement, and building a strong online community. Content marketing is about creating valuable content that attracts and retains your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts. For example, a financial advisor might publish blog articles on saving tips and investment strategies to attract potential clients. Social media engagement involves sharing content, participating in conversations, and building relationships with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Consistent posting and interaction can help grow your followers organically. A fitness coach might post daily workout tips and interact with followers' questions and comments. Building a strong online community means fostering a sense of belonging among your audience. Encourage discussions, respond to feedback, and create content based on their interests and needs. For instance, a gaming company might run an active forum where users can share tips and discuss the latest games. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified SEO, SEM, and organic growth strategies. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more insights.